joined us tonight. Your presence and support have made this concert truly special. We are deeply grateful to St. Mark's Catholic Christian Parish for providing us with this wonderful opportunity to share our music and spread the joy of this season. A special thank you goes to Father Sherwin. Hello, Father. Thank you, Paul. And the parish staff for their assistance and hospitality. Personally, I would like to thank to this bunch of wonderful singers. Yeah, for their commitment, perseverance, and hard work in every rehearsal. It has been, sleepless nights for memorizing, and until now, not yet memorized. Yeah, we thank as well our families for their unwavering support, our advocacy and mission. Their kindness and encouragement have been a source of inspiration for all of us. Tonight, as we sing our final song, let's carry the spirit of Christmas in our hearts and continue to share love, joy, and peace with everyone around us. We would like to invite everyone to stand, most especially our fellow Filipinos, and join us as we sing a medley of traditional Filipino carols. Everybody, can we please stand? We have the lyrics on the screen. 1, 2, 3, and thank you so much, everybody. Have a good night.